Daddy, don't let your grapevines grow up to be tree killers. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I am up here doing some emergency clearing of my roof area so I can do some emergency patching again. I would replace the whole thing, but I don't got the money for it, so you got to do what you can do. But I just wanted to share because this was surprising to me. This grapevine, it's a old school wild grape vine, muscadine actually, not a grape. And I haven't been watering it. It was down there along my fence line, and I suspected it's tapped into my neighbor's water because otherwise in our climate it would probably be dead. Nonetheless, it is not dead. It is growing rigorously, and it has made its way into my tree. And last year I did quite a bit of cutting back to try to unstrangle the tree, but clearly not enough because I don't know if you can see, like, that's still live grapevine. But what I've discovered today when I came to just get some branches off is that this whole branch, these two branches are dry, dead, brittle, getting ready to just do even more damage to my roof, and that's all from the grapevine strangling. I'm kind of impressed with the power of the grapevine, and you can see it's making its way up there, killing, actually most of the dead is all these big branches. So this branch is too heavy for me to navigate all by myself. I'm going to be taking off the outer, easier parts with me and my little saw here. This is my favorite saw, by the way. It's a good one. I'm going to take off some of the weight, and then I'm going to get some ropes and remove the big portions of these two branches as carefully as I can. Try not to take out any windows or stucco, although all those things need replaced on this house, so it'll be what it'll be. Mostly trying to make sure I don't hurt my body, because that's the one thing that I can't replace, right? Yeah, I'm just sharing. You can see here my cooler was leaking and puddling on my already limpy roof, which has needed replacement for probably 10 years now, and so has reached a critical state, is pouring water into the house, doing lots of damage, even when it's not raining, just from the cooler. Although I've got the cooler shut down, I'm up here getting ready to try to do some sweeping and power washing. I managed to wrestle my little brother's power washer up here that he loaned me, and but before I did that, I thought I would remove some tree branches, and then I realized, oh, I have more of that to do than I thought, because yeah, this is dangerous and needs to come out. And mostly I just wanted to share the damage that this grapevine is doing. It's kind of impressive, don't you think? Let me know if you have any tips for people on how to control grapevines, maybe, or pruning trees. I've been doing it a while, but it's been a while, and I'm not getting any younger, so always appreciating helpful tips. That's why I'm sharing. Maybe some of my experiences can help someone else, maybe you. Anyway, whether I'm helpful or not, I wish you a fantastic day full of love, lightheartedness. Don't forget to play and drive forward. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the questions and comments section. Check out the description if you want to find ways to connect to me. I love answering questions. I love making connections with people. So do that. Take care of you. Ciao.